Hey there, everybody. Welcome back. Hey, I've been out for a couple weeks. I've been actually been really sick. Um, I don't know what happened. I got sick, lost my voice for a couple weeks. Um, so I haven't put any videos in a while. But as you guys know, I've been watching most of your guys' videos. I'm still behind. I'm always behind watching your guys' videos. Voice is still a little scratchy, but I can talk to you about some stuff that I've been working on the bench. I have been working. It's not like I've stopped living life just because you're sick. So I'm going to do this in segments and piece them together. It's just so I don't lose my voice. Because if I talk too long, I still lose my voice. So, thank everyone for watching my videos. Always. Thank all my subscribers. And let me show you what I got going on here because, life goes on. So, I keep looking. I'm on my phone. My camera's over here, but I keep looking over here on the screen. So, let me cut to another segment here and show you my workbench because I got school stuff going on here. Alright, so first up on the workbench. This 1969 Roadrunner I did. Really, really like this car. I did a video on it, I think it was over the summer, so did a review on it. Really cool. Did it in the orange. Cool wheels, did the slicks in the back. Really awesome car. Anyways, I had it in the living room on the one of the shelves by the TV. The puppy was playing with one of her toys, and bam, right into the shelf. So I thought I got all the parts, but I noticed that I'm missing a bunch of engine pieces, which I'm guessing are under the TV stand. So that should be fun. So I'm not going underneath there for a while. So maybe after Christmas, when I move everything to do a full cleaning, I'll get all the parts together and redo this. But for now, this 1969 beauty, well, it's kind of a junkyard parts. So let me cut to another segment and show you what else I got. Dude, Hot Wheels stash ad. Check this bad boy out here. This is the 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon Ram Charger. Look at this bad boy. I know this is one of the newer Hot Wheel releases. My goodness, this thing is awesome. I found this at CVS the other day. Well, getting get some snacks, some munchies. But yeah, this bad boy. I was excited when I saw this one being released. I was excited when I saw it. You know what? They had two of them there. I should have got both so I could open one up. But yeah, this is definitely one staying in my collection. Definitely not going to sell it right now. Definitely not going to open it. If I see another one, I'm definitely going to buy it and open it. All right. Because my voice is scratchy, you could hear it. I'm going to cut to another segment. About a year ago, I bought this ice cream truck from MPC. I thought this was really cool. I had a video on it about when I bought it as a stash yet. Man, let me tell you, I've opened it up. I've done some work on it. I've had nothing but problems with this thing. Where's some parts in here? Oh man, I've been working on this guy for a while. Brought it back out. Thought I was gonna do some work on it. Oh man, what a beast, what a bear. So, I'm putting it back away for now. Come back to it with a cleaner head. We'll see what happens. But man, this guy here is giving me trouble. Hoping one day we'll be able to get on this one. Alright, next segment coming up. Well, at least I did something good during all this. 1968 Revell. Let me rephrase it. 1968 Chevelle SS by Revell. So this one here, I don't know where I got the wheels off of, but they came off of something. The flames came off of a AMT jobber. I did the bumpers. Same color as the car, just because. Interior is actually Model Master Boxcar Red with yellow inserts. Engine looks really cool. It's in a case right now. I'm going to do a video of this guy when my voice gets better so everyone can see the video. But this bad boy here, same model kit as this one. So, you can see, don't be afraid to build the same model twice. Because you can do it differently. Really happy with the way this guy came out. Really happy with the way that one came out too. Did that one years ago. But really, really happy. So, when I was sick, did that. Came out excellent. Kind of reminds me a little bit of a Hot Wheel almost. You know, maybe that guy. Or one of those guys. Anyways, anything with a flame on it. But yeah, maybe that guy. I'll have a video out when my voice gets better. But really excited for that one. Alright, so I had a birthday a couple months ago. My girlfriend gave me this Foxy box van. Chevy custom van. Man, this thing is cool. I mean, I love vans. I've never done a van model before. 70s vans, really cool. I'm into the 70s culture and all that. So she got me this bad boy, and I thought this was cool. I'm gonna make this quick because my voice is going again. So I gotta tell you, those chassis on this guy is a little bit of a bear. The front chassis had all sorts of problems with, but I got it to where it's looking good. I'm losing my voice, so let's just show you really quickly. Tried to copy the color here. I think it came out pretty close. So still working on it. Let me show you what we got. Boom. Look at this. This is Tester's copper on it. Sitting on the chassis. Not really sitting on it right. I love that color. This is a great color. Tester's copper. Not a great paint scheme, but I figure once you put the decals on it, everything will be okay. And once you paint all the details and trim work and whatnot, that's a badass looking car right there. I like this. I'm digging this. I'm digging the color. I'm digging what I'm doing. Definitely doing the Foxy box decal on the side of it. Getting funky with it. You know what I mean? Little 70s funk. Interior. It's just a just did it real quick. Need some touch-ups, but kind of got the brown going. I should have did the black all the way back. I may still do it. Suspension. Rear suspension was okay. Front suspension I was having all sorts of problems with, but I got it to sit. Wheels funky fine over there. But I got it to sit okay, so that's the important part. And test fitted the body to it before I painted everything. And everything was going good, so this guy here, I'm hoping it comes out really nice. Alright everybody, so that's my quick update on everything. Like I said, I did it in segments because my voice is so goofy. Hope it gets better here. I know it's getting better because I feel better every day. I actually feel really, really good, but the voice kind of comes and goes still. So, like I said, I've still been working on things, been doing things, taking care of things. So, guys, always appreciate you watching. Appreciate you subscribing. I'm losing my voice again. I'm going to go. So, wherever you're at, whatever you're doing, I hope you're doing well, and take care of yourselves. Take care of everybody else. All right, everybody. I'll talk to you guys later.